Welcome aboard, little adventurers. Are you ready for a magical journey? Our amazing adventure train is about to leave the station, and it's going to be so much fun. Let's get our tickets ready and hop on choo-choo. Here we go. Look, we're pulling into our very first stop. What do we see? It's one big, shiny, red apple waiting for us at station number 1. Wow, a single, delicious apple. Let's wave goodbye to the apple and continue on our way. Our next stop is station number 2. Can you see them? There are TWO, fluffy white sheep, grazing in the green field. Baa! Baa! 1, 2, sheep. They look so happy to see us. Hello, sheep. Let's keep chugging along to our next destination. Here we are at station number 3. Look up in the sky. I see 3 bright yellow kites flying high. 1, 2, 3 kites dancing in the wind. Isn't that a beautiful sight? Let's see what's next on our adventure. All aboard for station number 4. What's buzzing around those flowers? It's for busy little bees. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are collecting yummy nectar. Buzz, buzz. Let's wave to the bees as we chug along. Wow, we've arrived at station number 5. Look at all the colorful balloons. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons floating up, up, up. They're so cheerful. What an amazing journey. Hold on tight, everyone. We're speeding up to station number 6. Look, by the pond. There are 6 happy little frogs jumping around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ribbit. They're saying hello to us. Next up, station number 7. What a sweet treat. There are 7 yummy cupcakes all in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They look so delicious. I wish we could have won. On to the next stop. Look out the window. We're at station number 8. I see 8 lovely blue birds singing in a tree. Let's count them quietly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What a beautiful song they're singing for us. We're almost at the end of our trip. This is station number 9. Look at the cute puppies playing. There are 9 playful puppies chasing a ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They're having so much fun. And here we are, our final stop. Welcome to station number 10. Let's celebrate with 10 sparkling stars shining just for us. Let's count them all together, loud and proud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooray! What a fantastic adventure we had on our train today. We learned all our numbers from 1 to 10. You did an amazing job counting along. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning adventures. See you next time. Choo-choo!